Hey guys, my name is Hiran. I am a certified personal trainer here at Gold's Gym. Today we're going to be doing a 5-minute ab workout. You really just need a short amount of time in your day. You don't have to spend 2 hours at the gym doing ab exercise like a lot of people do. It's all about your diet, your nutrition, and just a few minutes a day. If you do this in the morning when you wake up, before you eat, or even before you go to bed at night, in no time, I think you'll definitely gain strength, gain intra-abdominal strength, and also get six-pack abs that you always wanted. So my friend here, Fook, he's one of my clients. He's recording me now. He's gonna go ahead and let me know when to start. My first exercise, 30 seconds each. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start now. So the first exercise we're gonna do is called scissors. All right, so we're gonna get down like this, and for 30 seconds, starting now, I'm gonna do these. All right, it's really important that you lock your knees during this exercise. And if you can't, that means your abdominals aren't as strong. So it's okay to bend your knees a little bit like this to compensate. The lower you keep the legs, the harder it will be. All right, and 30 seconds are up. For our next exercise, we're gonna do marching side planks. So check this out. We're gonna get into our plank position, making sure we do a posterior pelvic tilt. So right now I am anterior pelvic tilted, and to engage our abs, you wanna be here. And now I'm gonna start my exercise. So 30 seconds, guys. Here we go. And I know I'm making it look easy, but it's actually really hard. So fun. Longest 30 seconds of my life. I'm waiting on my friend to give me a thumbs up. So I know it's 30 seconds, and I think he just did. Okay. Whew. All right, second exercise done. We're almost there, guys. So our third exercise, it's gonna be a starfish crunch. This one's pretty intense, so you can do a regression. What you have to do, keep your legs up, arms up, and you're coming up like this. However, if you can't keep your legs up, you can put one of your legs on the ground as you come up. It'll make it a lot easier. All right, and here you can take a 30-second break. So just go ahead and hang out. I try to think, when I'm doing these ab exercises, I try to think if I'm like in an island or something, sipping on a mimosa, because the more I think about my abs, there's no way I'm gonna get it done. So I always just try to not even think about this stuff. All right. And of course, these short rest periods feel like 5 seconds long. So I'm waiting on my friend to give me the thumbs up. All right, we got the thumbs up. Next exercise, we're gonna do side plank. And then we're gonna reach under. So check this out, 10 of these. This is amazing for your obliques. Try to keep your hips level. You want your spine to almost be like in a straight line here. You don't wanna be like this, and you don't wanna be like this either. Right in the center. We're doing some reaches. And then when my buddy over here gives me a thumbs up, I'll do the other side. But my abs are absolutely killing me right now. Let's switch to the other side. Coming up. Nice. And then our last exercise we're gonna do here, we're gonna do crunches. Legs up here, coming down. What you wanna do is as you come up, breathe out. One of the most neglected things when people are doing abs is they don't know how to breathe properly. So as I'm in this position, I'm relaxed, breathing in, and as I'm coming up and crunching, I'm breathing out all the way, like a vacuum. All right, I don't know if